Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to calculate age in Excel from a date of birth. To calculating age in years, we need to use a formula. The formula is in my description box. You can copy and paste. Before that, you need enter the date in the date section. Press Ctrl:/; to insert the current date. After that, paste the formula in the age section. Then just click here and select the cell. Then hit enter. If you change the date, you can get the age. Now you can drag down the formula to other cells. That's it. Very simple and very easy. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you'd like to see next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more.